Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll be discussing the new trend on TikTok called doubloons. So if you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So what are doubloons on TikTok? Doubloons are virtual currency on TikTok. People are collecting these fictional coins, putting them in bank and using them to buy things and even getting in debt. However, doubloons aren't real and so no one is really purchasing any items. It is just a silly social media meme. People are keeping track of how many they have and using them to converse with other TikTok users, and this trend has gone viral on TikTok. So to make things more weirder, the trend involves a bizarre cat who is the god of doubloons and gives out the currency to social media users. Basically, it's just another silly TikTok trend that means nothing at all, but it's entertaining internet users nonetheless. So hopefully this has put your mind at rest regarding doubloons. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.